Hello student, today we will start exercise 3.1. Your first question is, in a matrix A, the first row is 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1 minus 5, 17. Write number 1, the order of the matrix. Number 2, the number of elements. Then number 3, write the elements 1 3, 2 1, 3 3, 2 4 and 2 3. Hope you understand the question. This is your given matrix. You have to first write down the order of the matrix. So what is the order? Order, I hope you remember, because in my theory I had told you what is order. Order means first you have to write down or count the number of rows and then you have to calculate the number of columns. Let us count it. Rows mean what? The horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, 3. So the number of row is 3. And what is the number of column? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of column is 4. So what is the order of the matrix? First write down the number of rows, then write down the number of column. That is what? 3 by 4. And next question, the number of elements. That means how many elements present there? Without counting them, if you just multiply 3 and 4, you will get 12. So the matrix has 12 elements. Next, you have to write the element 1 3. Hope you remember or you understand the meaning of 1 3. Yes, it is present in first row, third column. So go to first row. This is your first row, third column. 1, 2, 3. So the particular element in first row, third column is this one. That is equal to what? 19. So A13 is 19. The next is A21. 21 means what? Second row, first column. This is your second row, first column. Which is the element then? 35. So A21 is equal to 35. The next we required A33. Third row, third column. First row, second row, third row. Third column means what? 1, 2, 3. Third column. So which is the element here? Minus 5. So A33 is minus 5. Similarly, we can find out 2, 4. 2, 4 means second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column. That is equal to what? 12. Then 2, 3. Second row, third column. Which is equal to 5 by 2. Hope you understand how to do this type of question. Okay. Next, let me go to the next question, that is number 2. Your question is, a matrix has 24 elements. What are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So given here 24 elements present. Okay, so it is asked in your question that what are the possible orders you can have. So order means you just see what are the factors of 24. 24, 1 is the factor of every element. So 24 can be written as 1 into 24. Right? So one of the order is 1 by 24. That means here we have 1 row, 24 column. Similarly, if you divide it by 2, then 1 is 1 by 24. Then if you here if you interchange the rows and columns, you will get 24 by 1. That is here, this is the another possible row. Similarly, 24 is divisible by 2 also. When you divide it by 12, you will have, when we divide 24 by 2, you will get 12. So 24 can be written as 2 into 12. So one of the other order is 2 by 24. And if you change the position, you will get 2 by 24. And this is also, it must be 24 by 2. Okay. After that, the next is, it is divisible by 3 also. So 24 can be written as 3 into 8. Okay. The other is 8 into 3. Let me change the position. Here we have 4 by 6 because it is divisible by 4. Or 4 6 are 24. So one of the order is this and this one. 6 by 4. So you see, if you want to find out the possible order of a given number of elements, then here what you do? That you just see how many ways that number can be expressed as a product. And those are your required possible orders. or you may find out the factors also. After getting the factors also, you can write down the possible orders. Now the second part of the question, what if it has 13 elements? Now you see, 13 is a prime number, is not it? So 13 has only two factors, 1 and 13. Okay, so the possible orders are what? 1 by 13, and say interchange their position, you will have 13 by 1. So these are your possible orders. Similarly, we can go to next question number 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Okay, so 18 elements are there. Then 18 can be expressed as 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, is not it? So the possible orders are 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6. Then interchanging their position, you will have 6 by 3, 9 by 2 and 18 by 1. Okay, the next part, what if it has 5 elements? Again, 5 is a prime number. So in the case of prime number, only you have two possible options. One is 1 by 5 and other is 5 by 1. That means if suppose you have P is a prime number, then possible orders you can have are 1 by P and P by 1. তোমালোকৰ হাতত যদি প্ৰাইম নাম্বাৰ থাকে, তোমালোকে জানা যে প্ৰাইম নাম্বাৰৰ কি হয়, অকল দুটা ফ্যাক্টৰ থাকে, 1 and the number itself. সেই কাৰণে প্ৰাইম নাম্বাৰ থাকিলে তোমালোকৰ অকল দুটা পসিবল অৰ্ডাৰ হয়. দুটাটো কেনেকৈ পাও? এটা হৈছে নাম্বাৰটোক আমি 1 into that number we can write down, and changing the position you will have the other factor. Hope you understand how to find out the possible orders. Okay, next I proceed to the next question, number 4. Your question is, construct a 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by number 1, Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Second question, Aij is equal to I divided by j. Third question, Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So here we have 3 questions. First you see, what is the order of the matrix? 2 by 2. You have to form a 2 by 2 matrix. So always first write down a general 2 by 2 matrix. In this case 2 by 2 is asked. So in this case you first write down a general 2 by 2 matrix. Hope you remember how to write down the general matrix. So let us write down like this. A general 2 by 2 matrix is given by A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. মই তোমালোকক আগতে কেনেকৈ জেনাৰেল মেট্ৰিক্স ফৰ্ম কৰিব লাগে হেতু শিকাই দিছো, গতিকে সেই হিচাপত তোমালোকে প্ৰথমতে 2 by 2 মেট্ৰিক্স এটা লিখি লবা, ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া সোৱা তোমালোকৰ করসপন্ডিং এলিমেন্টসবোৰ কেনেকৈ ডিফাইন কৰে? Aij is defined by I plus j whole square divided by 2. Now what do you mean by Aij? Yes, Aij means the element present in ith row jth column. You have to now find out these corresponding elements. So first element is A11, A11. That means this I you have to replace by 1 and this j you have to replace by 1. Then on the right side what we'll have? 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. So this one. Calculating we'll have 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Next we have to find out first row second column element, that is 1, 2, A1, 2. In this case I is 1, j is 2. So substituting here 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 3 square is 9, 9 by 2 is your value of A1, 2. Then you have to calculate A21. I is 2, j is 1. So calculating what we'll have? 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 1 whole square is 9. So 9 by 2 is the next value, A21. Then you have to get A22. What is A22? I is 2, j is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So we have calculated our different values. Here I have not shown the calculation. If you want, you can show the calculation. Okay, like this. So তোমালোকে এতিয়া possible element বোৰ পালা, এতিয়া হিহতক নিজৰ নিজৰ ঠাইত এই এলিমেন্ট এই মেট্ৰিক্সটো পাবৰ কাৰণে বহাই দিয়া. Means In the place of A11, you put 2. In the place of A12, you substitute 9 by 2. In the place of 21, you substitute 9 by 2. And 22, you put 8. Okay. Then you will have your required matrix. That is equal to what? Let us say. This is the required matrix, you see. Required matrix is first A11 is 2. A12 9 by 2. A21 is 9 by 2. And A22 is equal to 8. Hope you understood how to form the matrix. Similarly, some more questions are there. You can calculate it, or let me show you. The next question, Aij is given by I by j. That means the numerator is the first element and denominator is the second element. That is number of column. Let us consider the elements. You require the element A11, A12, A21, A22, etc. So let us find it. 1, 1. A11 will be obtained what? Will be equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. A12, I is 1, J is 2. So it will be 1 by 2. Next, A21, it is what? 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 2. I have not shown the calculation here. Okay. A22, 2 divided by 2, that is equal to again 1. So we have got our elements. Now substitute in the corresponding position. Means in the place of A11, here you have to put 1. A12, this is the position of 1, 2, that is half. A21 is equal to what? 2, and A22 is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, we can get the next. Aij is given by I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So substitute the corresponding values. You will have the required values of A11, 12, 13 and 22. Substitute, you will have your answer. Okay. Next, go to question number 5. Your question is construct. This is also a construction of matrix, but the order is different and the elements are also given by different ways. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to half of modulus of minus 3i plus j modulus. Symbol closed. So the first question, it is a modulus question. Modulus, you remember, I hope. Modulus means what? Absolute value, that is the numerical value, where the answer will have it positive, right? Modulus of 2 means what? 2. Modulus of minus 2 is also 2. Okay. So, first your aim is to construct a 3 by 4 matrix. General 3 by 4 matrix, first you write down. It has 3 rows, 4 columns. So, I varies from, that is first suffix varies from 1, 2 up to 3. And the second suffix varies from 1 to up to 4. Okay, let us write down the general matrix. A is given by a general matrix. 3 by 4 matrix is given by A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A44. 34. Okay. Let us get the values now. This is your given Aij. So you have to find out all these 12 values. Let us find it. First calculation I have shown here. Rest I have not shown the calculation. You can do the calculation yourself. Okay. So half. This is half. Half, keep it as it is. A11. So in the place of I we have to put 1. In the place of j I have to put 1. So A11 is obtained by half modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 1. What is the calculated value? Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 within modulus. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 will gives you 1. Similarly, I had calculated these values. তোমালোকক মই এটো কেনেকৈ পাইছো এবাৰ কৈ দিও তোমালোকে ক্যালকুলেশন মোৰ নিজে লিখি লবা হা ক্যালকুলেশন লিখি লবা মুখে মুখে কৰিলে কেতিয়াবা ভুল হ'ব পাৰে তো 1 2 তাৰ মানে I ঠাইত কি বহাবা 1 আৰু j ঠাইত বহাবা 2 তেতিয়া কি পাবা a1 2 হ'ব হাফ টু একে থাকিব -3 ও কনস্ট্যান্ট -3 into I মানে 1 -3 into 1 প্লাস কিমান j মানে 2 1 2 পাম হয়নে -3 into 1 plus 2 তাৰ মানে -3 plus 2 -3 plus 2 ভ্যালু কিমান -1 and modulus of -1 মানে 1 half into 1 is half so calculated value is half তোমাকক মই এটো কেনেকৈ কৰে কৈ দিছো 1 3 I means 1 j means 3 put it here -3 into 1 okay that is equal to -3 j is 3 so plus 3 -3 plus 3 will gives you 0 so half into 0 is equal to 0 similarly you calculate these values You try yourself the values. Okay. Now substitute in the corresponding position. A11 value is equal to what? 1, this one. A12, you have calculated it half, put the value. A13, that is equal to 0, we have got. Similarly, do the calculation. A14 is 1 by 2. A21 is here, this is 5 by 2. 22 is 2. 23 is equal to what? 3 by 2. And 24 is 1. Substitute. The next 31, 32, 33, 34. Their corresponding value 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. Let us substitute here. So hope you can do the calculation yourself. Jodi kiba problem pa muk comment box at ko khudi diba, moi tumalok answer khini korai dim, koi dekhai dim keneke koribo lage. Okay, let us go to the second part of this question. So second part of the question, aij is given by 2i minus j. It's a simple calculation. A11 pabole ki koriba, 2 into 1 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. A12, 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. 1, 3, 2 into 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Then 1, 4. You have to get 1, 4 also. Tarpisot tumalke 1, 4 koribo lagile ki koriba? 1, 4 to likhiba 1, 4 mane ki hobo? 2 into 1 minus 4. That is equal to minus 2. Tarpisot tumalke eke dhorone baki khini calculation kori diba and put it in the corresponding position. You will have your required answers. Let us start question number 6. Your question is, find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. Your first question is, first row 4, 3, second row x5 is equal to yz, first row 1, 5, second row. So here these two matrices are equal, it is given. So equal matrices, that means comparing, will have what? Their corresponding values are equal by definition. So here you see, generally in the known position means what? Tumalke 2 5 yet as jana ase 2 2 position. Here also 2 2 position is 5. That means since equal, the known position always must be equal. They compare korile ami ki pam? 4 is equal to y, 3 is equal to z, x is equal to 1. That's it. So you have got the values of x, y and z. Okay. Now go to the next question. Second one is, here you see. Okay. Your second question, it's a 2 by 2 matrix. This is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So comparable and equal sign is given. It means by definition, the corresponding elements are equal. Okay. So first we have written the given things. Then we have comparing what you will have. X plus y equal to 6. 5 plus z is equal to 5. This one. 2 is equal to 2. Don't have to write. Xy is equal to 8. So here if you see, these are now the ordinary equations. So ordinary equations can be solved. So first you see, equation number 2 is simple because it's a equation containing one variable. So it can be solved and that will give you what? If I bring this 5 to the right side, z will be equal to 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. So we have got z is equal to 0. Now from equation 1 and equation 3, you can find out the values of x and y. Okay. So by substitution method or whatever method if you want, you can use. Tumalkor jitu method e mon jai koribo pariba. Hetut kono problem nai. Etet moi yate ki korilu, I have just find out the values of x. What is the value of x? This is 6 minus y. And mark it as 4 and I am going to substitute this in number 3. So 3 implies in the place of x I have substituted. It is xy. 6 minus y into y equal to 8. Okay. Then on doing the product we'll have this equal to what? 6y minus y square equal to 8. On transposing it become y square minus 6y plus 8. I just skip one step. Then I have to factorize it. Y square minus 6y plus 8. What are the factors of 8 here? Which will give you the sum is equal to 6, which is equal to what? 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 we can write down. On breaking, we'll have it. And factorization, hope you know. And after that, we are taking common y from the first two term. That give you y inside bracket y minus 2. Minus 4 taking common, it gives you y minus 2. Then y minus 2 is coming common. It become within bracket y minus 4 equal to 0. So we have got either y minus 2 is equal to 0 or y minus 4 equal to 0. That give you y is equal to 2 or 4. Now, when we have y equal to 2, let us find out what is x. X will be equal to 6 minus 2. Let us put it in 4. So 6 minus 4 gives you 6 minus 2 give you 4. And on substitution y is equal to 4 here in equation number 4 we'll have x equal to 6 minus 4 that is equal to 2. So we have got two corresponding values. One is when x equal to 2, when x equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0. And when x equal to 4, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 0. So these are the possible answers we have got. After this, let us proceed to the next question. First row here, what is the order? Number of row is 1, 2, 3. Number of column is 1. So comparing, we'll have what? X plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus z is equal to 5. Y plus z is equal to 7. So these three equation we have got. Y plus z I have written here. The next page we have this one. Okay. Now you can solve it in any way. Tumalke janeke mon jay teneke process solve korba para. Kintu moi yate ki korisu? Number 1 equation I have used number 3, that is y plus z. Y plus z or thait 7 bohai disu. That equation 1 to asile x plus y plus z. Y plus z or thait 7 bohale ki pam? X plus 7 equal to 9. So that give you x equal to 2. Putting x equal to 2 here, we will get z is equal to what? 3. Okay? And after that, when we put z is equal to 3, we put it in 3. We get it y plus 3 equal to 7. That is y equal to 4. So we have got the values of x, y and z. Okay? So similar way, this is question number 7. You have to find out a, b, c, d from these two equations. These two matrices. Comparable. So compare them. Comparing, we'll have 4 equations. X minus y equal to minus 1. 2x plus z equal to 5. Similarly, twice x minus y equal to 0. Thrice z plus a equal to 13. These 4 equations we have got by comparing. After this, you can use your own method for solving. Tumaleke x, y, z aru a value ulabo lage. Moi yate ki korisu from equation 2. Moi y2 uliai loisu aru x ot bohai disu. So we have got y equal to twice x and we have used it in 1. Using 5 in 1, we get x minus twice x equal to minus 1. So minus x equal to minus 1, that is x equal to 1. After getting x equal to 1, I put it in 5. We will get y. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So x and y we have obtained. Then you can put here x value, we will get z. 2 into x value is what? 2 into x value is 1. 2 into 1 plus z equal to 5. So z equal to 3. After getting z, you put it here. 3 into the value of z is equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus a equal to 13. So that give you what? A is equal to 4. Hope you understand the procedure. Your question number 8 is, it's an optional question. A is equal to aij m by n is a square matrix if, which one is the correct option? Obviously, square matrix means what? Rows and columns are equal. So m and n are the rows and columns. So the correct option is 3. After that, question number 4, it is given which of the following values of x and y makes the following pair of matrices equal. So these are two matrices. It is given when you will have the matrices equal. That means this is equal. When? That you have to find. And after making it equal, we just compare them. We formed 4 equations. Okay. After getting 4 equations, we see solving. If I solve it, we'll get y equal to 7. From 2 and 3, we'll get y equal to 7. It's okay. But from 1, we get x equal to minus 7 by 3. And from 3, we get x equal to what? This I briefly bring to the left side. That is equal to minus 2 by 3. So, here you see for one value of x, y, we cannot have 2 different values of x. That's why this is not possible to find. That is your correct option. Tumalke eta swa, eta y value karone x or duta beleg value paisa. Hoine? Hetu amar সম্ভৱ নহয়. Eketa y value bahale ami eketa x or value pam. He karone amar eta answer to kuntu hobo not possible to find. Okay. The next question, the total number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is again an optional question. You have to form a 3 by 3 matrix. The given entries are 0 and 1. Tumalike eta 3 by 3 matrix form koba lage aru given entry to ki দুটা আছে 0 আৰু 1 so firstতে মই কি কৰিলো first I am writing the general 3 by 3 matrix this is your general 3 by 3 matrix then a general 3 by 3 matrix has how many elements 9 elements is not it so 9 elements means there are 9 positions each position can be filled up in two ways because there are two entries given so first position can be filled up in two ways this A12 position can be filled up in two ways this also can be filled up in two ways that means you will have what multiplication rule or permutation combination you have got in class 11 by using multiplication rule what will have 2 into 2 into 2 into like that 2 to the power 9 and the value of 2 to the power 9 is equal to 12 this is your correct possible this is your answer okay so here you see I just give the images of this video in my description box if you want you can see there okay thank you